Hello and welcome to my channel. The name is Mark Plunkett. The channel is J Vlogs. Thanks for tuning in. So today I've been looking at how to build your credit score. Some of the things that you need to know that will help you to build your credit score and have good credit. The reason why you need to have good credit, it helps you with getting loans for your house, getting loans for cars, taking out stuff, just pretty much everything that you need credit for. Alright, the first thing that you need when getting a good credit, or the first thing that you need in order to get good credit, is a bank account. Yes, you need a bank account and a good bank. Okay, some recommendations are PNC Bank, Bank of America, TD Bank, and Chase Morgan. Yes, 4 banks are recommended. 4 banks. Alright, the next thing that you need is to take out a credit card. No, taking out a credit card, it doesn't mean that, oh, I have a credit card, I'm just going to spend and don't pay it back. This is how a credit card works. You have money from the bank on that credit card. The bank is lending you a certain amount of money. That's why you have a credit limit. So the bank is lending you $500, right? No, you have this money right now to use, but you're going to pay it back at the end of the month, right? So if you use $200 off this card, you will have to pay back the $200 at the end of the month. Now, if you don't pay back that $200 when it is due, you start to incur an interest, and that's how you pay more than the $200. So the longer you take to pay off the $200, the more money you pay, and the less credit you have. It messes up your credit. I don't know how much credit you get per spend, but you do get credit, and your credit goes from 0 to 850 points. Alright? Now, say you have that credit card and you get paid at the end of the month, but you have your light bill that is due the first of the month, right? How are you going to get the money and you get paid at the end of the month? Ooh, the credit card. Woo, the credit card is here. You have $500, your light bill is $200. What do? You use your credit card to pay your light bill at the first of the month, right? Boom, credit card is used to pay the light bill. Now, when you get paid, ensure that you take the $200 from your paycheck and put it back on the card. So when you pay the bill, you get your credit. It's as simple as that. So now, how can you pile up points? How can you make this work for you? Depend on your credit limit on that card. Some go from $250 to $500 to $1,000 to $2,500. It goes up. No, you budget yourself. You have your rent, you have your light bill, you have your phone bill, right? And other stuff. What can you do to help with your credit? You use your rent, you use the light bill and use your phone bill, and you pay for those 3 things using your credit card. Now, keep in mind that you have to pay back the credit card bill at the end of the month. This is not your money, it's the bank money that they're using to pretty much lend you. So using a credit card is like added advantage. If you don't have the money now to buy something upfront, you can use your credit card and pay back later when you get the money. So that's how a credit card works. Now, if you had your bank card, right, and you just get a job, you don't have the money to pay your bills on the debit card, right? But a credit card gives you advantage. You have the money now to use. So when you use the money now, you're not in arrears with your bills. You now pay off your bills, and then later down in the month you pay back the credit card. So it's like a little loan in your wallet. That's what it is. And the advantage is it gives you good credit. So it builds your credit scores. You get loans to take out a mortgage, loans to take out a car, so you're good to do business. And that's how you use your credit card. So if you enjoy this, if you learn from this, please leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I post vlogs on Monday, Thursday, mini clips on the weekend like this. So I hope this helped you with your finances. Hope this helped you with your budget. Hope this clears up a lot of stuff for you. So thanks for watching J Vlogs. I really enjoy giving you guys information. Remember to subscribe and share. #JVlogs. #JVlogs.